Hello students, welcome to all your scholar classes. So today I will be taking the 16th chapter from class 6 science, that is garbage in and garbage out. Okay. So garbage has been one of a very common problem in our society, in India especially, and our government is taking lots of action regarding that. So how do garbages come from? Where do they come? Okay. So if we talk about the garbages that come, the rubbish you can say, or a garbage every day from our homes, we throw it from schools, from shops, from offices. So there are so many types of sources from which garbages come. It can come from our homes, it can come from our schools, offices, okay, and different shops, okay. So one is the sources, these are some of the sources. Then if you see the grains, pulses, biscuit, milk, oil, all these things which we purchase from the shops are packed in a plastic bags or a tin, okay. So these wrapping materials also go in garbage. So one category is this, other you can say the wrapping material of different items. Wrap of different items, okay. It can be plastic bags, okay, it can be a plastic bags, or it can be bottles, tins, anything. Okay? Fine. So homes, schools, offices, shops, wrap of different items like biscuits, milk, or anything we are purchasing. Sometimes we buy things that are rarely used. Okay? Sometimes we go in the market and we take the thing that is not used. We don't use it further. हम ले तो आए market से, but हम आगे उसे use नहीं करते. So that is also thrown in garbage. Not used items, you can say. Those are also thrown in garbages. Okay. So if you look over these things, you will see that we generate garbage in our day-to-day activities. Day-to-day activities जो हम कर रहे हैं day to day, every day we make garbage in some or other forms. Okay. So if you, one of the very good example of garbage is that when we travel in trains or in buses, what we do? We mostly buy coconut or we buy groundnut. What we do? We peel the groundnut shells and we throw it in the bus. This is a very common garbage which is thrown. Okay. So all garbages can be like in trains, bus, or any public transport. Okay. We throw so many eatables. Fine. So this is also a form of a garbage. Then if you go in school, what happens? Children keep on sharpening their pencil and they throw it just for fun. Okay? So that is also a garbage. Many of you must be doing this, that you sharpen your pencil and you throw it here and there. So if we make these types of mistakes, like we spill inks on our notebook, we tear the pages of our books or sheets and we throw it here and there. So day to day, every time we make so many things that goes in garbage. Okay? And we throw many domestic waste are there, many domestic waste like our broken toys, old clothes are there, shoes, slippers which are of no use or they have been torn. Okay? So like this, if you will see, our home, our surrounding, everything is full of garbages which we are producing day to day. Okay. there is a larger category, there is a many category in which we can say that these are the sources from which garbage comes. So I will be telling you what are the sources, the domestic sources, the industrial sources. इंडस्ट्री से भी बहुत सारे garbages होते हैं. Okay, industrial waste, they are also a garbage. So there is a lots of sources from which garbage can come. Okay, so first we will discuss all those sources of garbages, then we will move further. Okay, so let's see the sources from which garbages come. So how we can define waste? What is waste? How we can define it? Okay, so as the name suggests, you yourself can see that waste is something which is of no use, which can't be used further. जिसका आपका further कोई use ना हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Waste बोलते हैं. So waste is any substance which has been discarded after primary use. एक बार आप उसको use किए या जो भी उसका primary use था वो हो चुका है और अब उसको discard कर दिया गया है. It's useless, it's worthless, either it's defective or it's of no use. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Waste. Okay? So waste is any substance, you can say. Waste is any substance which has been discarded. उसको discard कर दिया गया है. Okay? Which has been discarded after its primary use and now it's of no use or useless. Okay, so waste is any substance which has been discarded after its primary use and now it's of no use or it's useless. बिल्कुल useless है, उसकी कोई हमें जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए उसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया गया है और उसका जो भी प्राइमरी यूटिलाइजेशन था वो हो चुका है. या तो वो डिफेक्टिव है इसलिए वो फेंक दिया गया, या उसका कोई यूज नहीं है इसलिए फेंक दिया गया, या वो कोई गार्बेज है, स्मेली सब्सटेंस बनने वाला है इसलिए उसको फेंक दिया गया. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ वेस्ट. ओके, वेस्ट आते कहां से, सोर्स क्या है वेस्ट के? So if we talk about the sources of waste, okay, waste के sources की बात करें तो we can classify it into 4 types. Sources of waste can be classified in 4 types. Okay, so the first is going to be domestic source. Okay, first will be domestic source, then the industrial sources, agricultural sources and commercial sources. So first domestic, industrial, okay, agricultural, last is going to be commercial. Okay, so if we talk about domestic sources are the which comes from our home and all. Industrial which comes from different industries and plants. Okay, next is the agricultural which comes from the agriculture. Okay, from field of farmer. Commercial is the which is used for economic purpose. Okay, so you can classify waste in four categories: domestic waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste and commercial waste. So one by one we will discuss all the types of sources of waste. First we will see the domestic waste. Okay, so the first type of waste which we are going to talk about is domestic waste. So as the name says, domestic means which is going to come from our household activities, from our homes, from our offices, from our schools, etc. Okay, so this kind of waste, these contribute the kinds of waste that are generated by our household, by our offices, by our schools and all. Okay, so what are the examples? From homes, what are the waste we get? The food that has been remained, if some food is left, we throw it. Or the fruits and vegetables peel off, their peels, our old clothes, slippers, shoes or any plastic items that are present in our homes. Okay, in schools if you talk, again these kind of stationery, some stationery items and all these are waste. So if we talk about domestic waste, it is going to include household objects, schools, offices and all. Okay, so some examples we are going to take: fruit and vegetable peels, okay, leftover food, our old clothes, shoes and slippers, okay, plastics. Okay, so like this different types of stationery, some stationery items, etc. So we can call that these type of waste are domestic waste. That can be a household objects, that can be some schools thing, offices things. Okay. Example, if you are being asked, you can write fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food, old clothes, your shoes, your slipper that you throw, some plastic items, stationery, etc. When you throw your garbage from your home, what you see? Maximum are the vegetable and fruit peels, food items, most of them. Some are the packets, wrapping papers are very common. Wrap of items like biscuits and all. These we throw. Okay, biscuits, oils, हर चीज तो आजकल पैक्ड आती है, राइस है, जितने भी पैक्ड आइटम है, ग्रोसरी आइटम्स है, रैप ऑफ आइटम्स लाइक बिस्किट्स एंड एनी ग्रोसरी which you are using at your home. Okay, so और मैक्सिमम तो फूड आइटम्स होंगे आपके गार्बेज में, बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक्स होते हैं, उसके बाद जितने भी रैपर्स हैं डिफरेंट काइंड के, टॉफी के रैपर्स हैं, बिस्किट्स के हैं, चॉकलेट्स के हैं, और एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव यूज्ड एट योर होम, और समटाइम्स इट्स योर hairs are there, your when you comb your hair, some hairs fall down, some hair fall down, that is being thrown in the garbage. domestic waste. Okay. So next we will see what are the industrial waste. So the second type of waste is industrial waste. Okay. So we have seen domestic waste. Now we will discuss the industrial waste. Industrial waste are those items, those waste which are generated by different power plants are there. Different chemical plants are there, cement factories are there, food processing industries are there, textile industries are there, and different plants are there, brick factories are there. Okay, so all these textile industries, all these plants, they gives the industrial waste. Okay. So what are the common items that are being formed from these industrial waste? Are the smoke. Smoke तो सबसे common है. Almost every factory, every industry, every power plant, they give smokes. Okay. Then the fly ashes. Fly ash is very common. Different kinds of glasses are there. Different plastic items comes. So all these are example of industrial waste. So from where the industrial waste, these constitutes of the kind of waste generated by power plants, thermal plants, steel plants, okay. Then the chemical plants are there, okay. Cement factories, brick factories are there, different food processing industries are there, textile industries are there, textile industry, etc. Okay. So what are the kind of waste that comes from here? The first is smoke. Almost all of these industries and factories, plants, they produce smoke, they produce fly ash, they give plastics are there, very common, glass are there, etc. Okay. So if we talk about industrial waste, these constitute the kind of waste that is generated by power plants, thermal plants, steel plants, chemical plants, okay, the cement factories, the brick factories, the food processing industries, the textile industries, okay. Example is what they produce: smoke, very common, fly ash, plastic, glass, etc. All these are produced due to industrial waste. Okay. So next we will be seeing the agricultural waste. The third kind is the agricultural waste. Agricultural waste are also very common. Okay, so if we talk about agricultural waste, these constitutes the kind of waste that is produced while undertaking agricultural activities, like rice husk are there, dried stem and straws are there, weeds are there, cattle waste are there, fertilizers are there, different kinds of fertilizers. When we use pesticide in the field, their containers are there. Okay, so all these are what? They are industrial waste. Okay, so industrial waste is going to be like rice husk, okay, dried stems and straws, weeds are there, different when there is a agriculturing is done, weeds are being produced, cattle waste are there, okay, fertilizers and pesticides containers. We spray the pesticide in the field and those containers which we have used is being thrown as a waste. Okay, so these are some of the industrial waste. Husk are there, HUSK husk, dried stem and straws are there, weeds are there, cattle wastes are there, fertilizers are there and different kinds of pesticide containers are there. Okay, so next we shall be discussing the commercial waste. So let's see what is a commercial waste. So the fourth type of a waste and the last type of a waste is a commercial waste. Commercial waste are the waste that are being produced for the commercial use. Okay, so this constitute the kind of waste generated by commercial enterprises. Commercial enterprises can be any kind of shops. They get the items in big cartons and all, so that goes in a waste. Or different malls are there. Malls are having different shops within them, and even the mall uses different items that get delivered on to them. They produce different commercial waste. So many hotels are there. Hotel gives so many commercial waste. Restaurants are there. Printing presses are there. Printing presses generates lots of commercial waste. Medicine shops are there. Okay. So like this, these are some of the common kind of waste that is generated by commercial waste. Okay. So this constitute the kind of waste generated by commercial enterprises. It can be any commercial enterprise, okay, such as hotels, shops, different malls are there, restaurants are there, okay. Different restaurants, they daily they throw so many items and the packing covered and all these, and vegetables, peels, all these goes from them. The printing presses are there, okay. Medicine shop is there. this, it constitutes different enterprises are there, different commercial enterprises that are going to produce commercial waste. Okay, if we talk about these examples, which kind of waste they are throwing, so it comes the disposable items, many disposable cutlery items are there which used to be come from restaurants, disposable cutleries. Okay, plastic is there, plastic items, so many kinds of plastic is there, so many food items are there, food packets are there, different cartons are there. Okay, and expired medicine, the medicine shop they throw different medicine boxes are there, and all these. So these are going to constitute the commercial waste. Okay, so we have seen the four types of the waste. The first one is the domestic waste, which comes directly from our home. Second type is the agricultural waste, which is being produced by different agricultural resources. Okay, then our industrial waste are there, different industries gives different kinds of waste. Okay, and different plants are there. Then at last the commercial waste, which is being constituted by different commercial enterprises. Okay, so we have seen all the four types of waste. These are the major waste, which are the sources of waste that comes as a waste in our society. Different items we have seen which comes as a waste in our society. Okay. So mainly we have seen four types of waste, the sources from which the waste come. A fifth type is also there. It is not a major waste, but we can include a electronic waste in a separate items. Okay, it can be gone in commercial item also, but we can make it as a separate good also. So all the broken electronic goods. It can be like old phones. Nowadays, if the phones are not working, we throw it. Does not go in exchange at all. Okay, if it's not working, so it's better to get a new phone rather than to repair it. Old computers are there, old refrigerator, old TV. Nowadays, LEDs have came, so everybody is throwing their old TVs. Okay, so like this. In this category, we can give the electronic waste. We can make one more source of category of wastes, that is the fifth category, the electronic waste, which is going to include the broken electronic items. Okay, broken electronic items or goods like old phones, old computers, TV is there, fridge, etc., or any electronic item it can be. So we have seen that how different sources are there from which waste is being collected. हमारे पास बहुत सारे सोर्स हैं जहाँ से वेस्ट कलेक्ट किए जा रहे हैं, या तो वो डोमेस्टिक सोर्स हो सकता है, इंडस्ट्रियल सोर्स हो सकता है, कमर्शियल हो सकता है, एग्रीकल्चरल हो सकता है, या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट का भी एक सोर्स है. ओके, सो डिफरेंट सोर्स वी हैव सीन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि व्हाट इज गार्बेज. ओके, हम गार्बेज किसको बोलेंगे? व्हाट इज गार्बेज? Okay, so what is garbage? Garbage की बात करें तो all the undesired material that is produced on daily basis is termed as garbage. What is garbage? All the undesired material. Okay, and other household waste produced, that is produced on daily basis. It is termed as garbage. Okay. So all the undesired materials, other household waste produced on daily basis is termed as garbage. We can also refer it as rubbish, junk or trash. You must have heard trash bin, junk, rubbish. Okay, so it can be referred. This garbage, I am talking about garbage. Garbage can be referred as rubbish, junk or trash. Okay. Fine. Now the question is, what are those daily items, daily basis items that are thrown from our home in a garbage? Peels of vegetables and fruits. किसी का ऐसा घर नहीं होगा जहाँ पे वेजिटेबल के फ्रूट्स के पील ऑफ जो होंगे वो नहीं थ्रो होते होंगे. Daily we need to eat food. We will cook food and we will throw some vegetable and fruit peels. Then some leftover cooked food is there. We can't estimate the food such that it can't be left. So some leftover food, cooked food items are there. Any paper is surely going to be there in your garbage, in your dustbin. कोई ना कोई पेपर तो आप फेंकोगे. If a small child kid is there, diapers are there nowadays in the garbage. Tea leaves. टी सबके घर में बनती है. टी लीव्स को हम गार्बेज में जरूर डालते हैं. We purchase milk. Those milk polythene are going to be in garbage. And there are different plastic materials are there. Any plastic carry bags or any other plastic bottle is there. So different kinds of waste items are there on daily basis. So if we talk about those items, the first is the vegetable peels or fruits peels. Okay. Next, if you see cooked leftover food, cooked leftover food. Next comes your tea leaves or milk polythene. Okay, papers are there, plastics are there, etc. So like this, there are thousands of items which are going in our garbage on daily basis from our house. Okay, these are some of the common examples I have given you which goes from our house as a garbage. So now the question is, what if the garbage is not removed from our homes and surrounding? If you keep on collecting the garbage at your home, what will happen? It will become so smelly you can't live at your home. So you have to throw it somewhere. And if it is thrown somewhere at the surrounding, near your apartments and all, again you can't live, it is going to be so smelly. So what is being done of that garbage? What if it is not being removed? Okay, what do you think how these garbages are going to harm you. आपको क्या लगता है ये garbage आपको कैसे harm कर सकते हैं? Different सफाई कर्मचारीज are coming, they collect these garbages. So when these सफाई कर्मचारीज they don't come, they don't take away the garbage from the bins, what is going to happen? And if they take it, where do they throw it? Where does it go? And what happens to these garbages? Okay, is it possible for all the garbages to be changed into something useful or something harmful? क्या सारे garbage as a useful product बनते हैं या सारे garbage as a harmful product में जाते हैं? Okay, and how can we contribute to keep our society clean? Okay, so all these we are going to look forward all these answers and questions in this chapter. Before dealing with these questions, one mission that has been contributed by our government, by our Prime Minister, a step towards cleanliness is taken by our government that I am going to discuss. A step towards cleanliness taken by government. Okay, so what step our government has taken for this cleanliness? Our Prime Minister has launched a very good mission that was called Swachh Bharat Mission. Okay, what was that mission? Swachh means clean, Bharat is for India, Clean India mission. Okay, Swachh Bharat Mission, SBM. Okay, so it was launched by our government, Swachh Bharat Mission, Clean India Mission it was. According to this mission was implemented as nationwide campaign. एक campaign के फॉर्म में पूरे नेशन में इस मिशन को लाया गया था. इसमें क्या एम थी? This aim was to eliminate all the open defense, okay, all the open defecation in rural areas during the period of 2014 to 2019. Okay, so all the open defecation, we have seen that in our village area and rural areas there is no toilets, people go and use open defecation. Okay, so the aim was to eliminate all the open defecation in rural areas during a period of 2014 to 2019. Okay, what was the aim of this Swachh Bharat mission? To eliminate open defecation. Okay, and it was launched it was an aim that in between these years, that is 2014 to 2019, through a mass scale behavior change, construction of household owned and community owned toilets, house-wise toilets were also made and community toilets were also made, and establishing a mechanism for monitoring toilet construction and their uses. Okay, 2019. Okay, 2nd October 2019, because it was the 150th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so open defecation पूरा eliminate, जितने open toilets, open area में लोग toilets use करते थे उनको remove करने का, उनको पूरा eliminate करने का एक स्वच्छ भारत मिशन लॉन्च किया गया गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से। और फाइनली ODF कब हुआ? 2 अक्टूबर 2019 में 2019, it was the 150th birthday of our Mahatma Gandhi. So all the villages, all the gram panchayats, districts, state and union territories, they have declared themselves as ODF. Okay, so this was a very good step taken towards the cleanliness by our government. Okay, so we have seen that what is waste, what are the sources of waste, what is garbage. One mission also we have seen how our government has taken this step. Okay, so this was all for part 1. In the part 2 we will be studying that how we have seen that there are garbage. Okay, there are different sources of these garbage. Now the question is how these garbages are dealt. When these Safai Karmacharis, they take the garbage from our home, what they do? All the garbages go as useful or they go as harmful products? So all these will be explained in the part 2 of my video. So this was all for today. The part 1 is completed here. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give a like button. And if you have not subscribed our channel, Always Scholar yet, please do subscribe it because we upload videos daily. It will be very beneficial for you to get all these videos. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Please go in the link and please go in the description box and find the link of our app, that is Always Scholars app. There you can go and you can get PDF notes, MCQ questions are there, and many interesting live classes we conduct. If you are interested for that, we can conduct that also. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Please give a like button.